Previously, Lyle did a whole series on solo diving and self-reliant diving. You can find a link to that here. Now, one of the tenets of self-reliant diving is you need to always have a redundant gas source. Now, Lyle, as well as the owner of Sweet Bottom Dive Center, Mark Lindsay, went over a few different options on how you can carry that gas. Today, we're going to talk more about how you can rig a stage bottle in more detail. So for this, rigging this little 30 cubic foot tank, we have this nice little system from XS Scuba. Nice strap, nice large bolt snaps, a sewn top loop, nice heavy rubber to protect it. Has a nice elastic rubber hose band, as well as a small Jubilee clamp with some really nice cloth tubing over it to protect things. Now we're going to assemble this stage strap on this 30 cubic foot aluminum tank. We slide the loop over the top valve. This we're going to put in line with the outlet of our valve, a little bit different from our side mount tanks earlier. We slide our hose clamp or Jubilee clamp down over. Now on this one, I'm going to have a little more leash. Normally on my side mount tanks, I try to have, I'd want it back something like that. On this 30 cubic foot tank, it's a little bit long. We're going to have it about there. We will tighten this up. You know, as with most hose clamps, a 5/16 nut driver will make this work a lot easier than a screwdriver. So we tighten, 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 looking to see if it's close to center line. It's down and tight. So on that we have our two bolt snaps. We can take our hose retainer, come down. On our side mount tanks we have multiple hose retainers because we're often going to have a 7-foot hose. On our stage bottles or pony tanks, we're probably going to have a 40-inch or shorter, so one will be enough. But again, we would be able to clip this off to our standard back mount harness. Some people like to crossbody, and that's going to affect the distance between your bolt snaps. So that's a really simple, nice kit from XS Scuba. Really straightforward and strong. Remember, this is not a handle. This is so you can pull out, and it helps hold it all together.